Hello everyone, my name is Shweta. Today I want to give you my genuine feedback about the course of Financial Modeling and Valuation offered by IB Institute. I did this course last year and got my first job in co-finance. Actually, I am MA Economics, which I did in 2019. After that, I appeared for a lot of government examination, but I couldn't make it to finance. So after that, I decided to pursue this course, which was suggested my cousin who did this course earlier. Here, Manoj sir taught us lots of concept of finance, modeling, valuation, and merger and acquisition from basic to advanced. All the knowledge that he taught us was very practical in nature. Even after the gap of 3.5 years, I cleared my first interview, and all this happened because of the guidance provided by the academy. Time to time, these guys conduct lot of mock interviews, which help me to overcome my shortcomings and help me to understand the things that I need to work on. Today, I am very grateful to my cousin and the guidance of Manoj sir and Ankur sir that helped me to get my best job of life. And if you guys are looking for the financial modeling and valuation course, I must suggest you must try at IB Institute because the faculty provide you genuine guidance and help you to make your career in the core finance. Also, they give you 3-year assistant program by which you will have lots of opportunity in field of finance. So it is my genuine suggestion that you guys must pursue this course, and best of luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.